This is my Envirofan Goldline, 36-inch in brown. This is a model D-36N, which is different than most others, which is the 160F7, or not 160, 136F-7. Serial number is 81-0101A, draws 0.7 amps, 110 volts, 60 cycles, and it might not necessarily be able to see that, but it does in fact say Envirofan. When I contacted them, they didn't know anything about this model number, so I don't know. All the normal stuff. It does work perfectly, and I have it rigged with the newest Envirofan variable speed controller, KB Electronics. It's like the 100F. This is what's interesting. If I put this all the way there, nothing's happening. If I turn it a quarter turn, try it right there, still nothing. It only starts to move once I put it about here. Then it's running and everything. Makes some noise. So the only range I have with this controller is from here to here. Just that area. And then, once it's there, it gets going right away. No bearing problems at all. Have it on a super strut. So yeah, that's my Envirofan Goldline. Hopefully I can figure out why it's labeled D36N instead of 160F7, 136F-7. So that's that. Got the leading edge over there. Alright. Thanks for watching.